Good afternoon, guys. I'm going to share for you another 2 tips, full-time draws, and the first draw, which is going to start at around 5:40 Iran League, Fashion Girls, Iran League. You'll find there is Machine Says and Nasaj Masadaran. Pick full-time draw, and the odd is around 2.95 on Mozart Bet. You can stake with 1500 Kenyan shillings or $15. Extra tip on the same match, I'll give you halftime full-time XX. You can also stake 1500, which is 15 USD. You'll get around in Kenya, using Mozart, you'll get 6,000, but after tax, you get 5,100. That's a good banker, you can stake on it. Good luck. And also, the next match that we're going to give you is also in Iran. The match is starting at 7:20. Big full-time draw. And the match is Sanat Naft and Saifa. Full-time draw, the order dropped to 230. Take your 1500 or $15. Good luck. And then another one, I'm going to give you the last draw. The last draw, I'll give you Egypt Premier League, El Guna and Karamashia Cleopatra. Full-time draw. The odd is around 270. Take 1500. Good luck. Don't forget to bank on it. Those are my 3 draws I've given you today. And remember to click on the like button so that you can be getting updates anytime I post new videos. And also don't forget to be taking singles. Always take singles before you multi. That's a safer way to be betting, because if you put all your eggs on one basket, if one team cuts, you lose everything. So always be taking singles before you accumulate. Good luck.